Hey, welcome to the channel everyone. Today we're gonna build an unbreakable body for our Traxxas Maxx. So the body is gonna go from our rock and roll, from this to this. Right guys, we've got an unbreakable body special for the Traxxas Maxx here, okay, that we're going to install. As you can see, this body is uncut, so that's not a problem. We are going to cut it at the right shape all around, but the problem is that with this Traxxas Maxx we need to install also all of this. Okay, so if you can have a look, if we have a look at the original body, okay, you've got all of the mechanism to lock basically the body into the chassis that we will need, of course, to install into this unbreakable body. So what you can do is obviously take this mechanism from your original body. You just have to unscrew this and then you sort it and you install it on your new unbreakable body. But if you are like me, you want to keep this body rock and roll because it's so beautiful. That's for the shelf, of course. So beautiful. I don't want to bash with that. I want to bash with that. So we bought all of this mechanism also, so I'll show you what part you actually need, okay, to buy if you want to have, like me, two Traxxas Maxx bodies. Okay, right, let's have a look. Right, okay, so all of the parts that you need for the unbreakable body, you've got a body reinforcement set 8910 from Traxxas. That's the parts that you can see here. You've got the body support 8913. Okay, you've got the old mechanism, basically the body mounts 8915. okay, so that really should be enough, but on top of that, what we've got the part 8912T in orange to put at the back, just to protect the back really, and to protect the top skid plate 8917T still in orange, okay, to put at the top like this. Okay, right, by all means you do not need all of this, okay, you can, as I said, take the original mechanism and body mount, okay, from the original body, but if you want a second body, that's what you will need. Okay, so we're gonna have a look now how we can install it, cut the body and make a good job out of it with the stickers. See you. Right, the first job that we're gonna do is cutting the body because it comes uncut, as you can see. Okay, so what I'm using just a knife, okay, to slowly cut the shape of the body all around it. Okay, it's a slow job, and then after that a bit of sandpaper and it will be all done. Alright, let's do it. Right, job done, body is all cut, as you can see. Okay, next step is the sandpaper. It's a little bit messy before we start to install it on the body, on the chassis, sorry. Right, once body is all done and ready, you just need to cut the hole for the body mount, okay? And later on we'll cut the small holes to put this in Okay, inside, pretty flex. Okay, second thing that I wanted to tell you, this is not necessary. Okay, this part 8910 is not necessary because it's already included. There we go, it's already included, okay, in the body mount. Okay, so that will be maybe as a spare for a third body. Right guys, the first thing we're gonna do is mount the body mount at the front, okay, by making 4 small holes in the body. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There will be here. It's very easy to do because you can really see where the holes are, okay, in this body. That's perfect and brilliant. See you in a bit. Right, okay, next step is going to be the mounting the body mount at the rear. Okay, now the problem is you will need to dismantle this part here, okay, to be able to put it inside these holes there, okay, by unscrewing this screw. Let's go. Right, okay, so we passed this bit through the holes. We just need now to install all of the screws, to put the screws back in here, and then it will be a job done for the rear. Right, now we're gonna concentrate on this part of the body. Okay, so we made some holes and we screwed it on 2 screws here, and now we're gonna concentrate on screwing them to this part. Okay, let's crack on. Right guys, okay, what we've got left to do now is installing and screwing this part here, this roof protection. Okay, we've made the holes and we just have to screw these 4 screws there and it will be finished for this part. Okay, right, see you in a bit. Right, okay, next step are the stickers to make this body a little bit more beautiful. So a little bit of brake cleaner and let's go. Here we go, this is the final part, looking at the final product. Here we go, not really 100% perfect, okay, but that will do for extreme bashing. At the end of the day, this body is not meant to be beautiful, just meant to be like a body for bashing. Okay, right. So hope that you enjoyed the video. If you are ready to install an unbreakable body for your Traxxas Maxx, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.